I want to do a quick update on YouTube's support for surround sound audio. If you haven't seen my video from a year ago where I talk about embedding surround sound audio into your YouTube videos, be sure to check that out. I'll link it at the bottom. At the time, I noted that YouTube only generated M4A audio files in the AAC format, which doesn't play on a lot of surround sound equipment. 5.1 surround sound. So the audio was there, but unless your system happened to be able to play back AAC 6-channel sound, it didn't do you much good. Recently, somebody wrote in the comments that they had gotten surround sound to play with certain newer videos. And what I discovered was YouTube is starting to generate not only MP4 AAC files, but files that also include AC3 and EC3 Dolby Digital. So I re-uploaded my original video, and this time around, sure enough, there were some additional files with Dolby Digital sound in them. Now, if I try to play it on my desktop computer, which only has stereo sound, it's still the same as before. Stereo. But on my Roku TV, it's a different story. 5.1 surround sound. So, give the new test a try, and let me know if it worked on your system.